So this time we will have 3, 6, and 9. So divisible is a number divisible by a number if there is no remainder when you divide the numbers. Is 207 divisible by 9? Yes, because when you divide 207 by 9, there is no remainder. But instead of dividing, there is easier way to know whether it's divisible by a 9 or not. So we have divisibility rules for 3. Let's start with this. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is 3, 6, or 9. So, unlike the previous lesson that we have, this time hindi natin titingnan yung last digit. We're going to add the digits. Okay, so example, 240. So, i-add natin 2 plus 4 plus 0. So, we have the 3 digits. So, the sum is 6. So, sabi dito, if the sum of the digits is 3, 6, or 9, it is divisible by 3. 2,284. So, let's add it. 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4, we have 16. 1 plus 6. So, since it's still 2 digits, i-add mo ulit. Hanggat hindi 1 digit, don't stop. So, 1 plus 6, we have 7. So, it's not 3, it's not 6. Hindi rin siya 9. So, no, it's not divisible by 3. We have 12,342. So, let's add the digit. So, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 is 12. So, 2 digits pa rin. Let's add 1 plus 2. We have 3. So, sabi natin, if the sum of the digit is 3, so yes. So, let's go to divisibility rules for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is 9. So, example, 240. I-add lang natin. We have 6. So, since the sum is not 9, so no. 2,286. 18. So, 2 digits pa rin. So, let's add 1 plus 8. We have 9. So, since the sum is 9, so yes. If you will add the digits, the answer is 12. 1 plus 2, we have 3. So, no. So, it means this is not divisible by 9. Divisibility rules for 6. This one, it is a combination of two conditions. A number is divisible by 6 if the sum of the digits is 3, 6, or 9, and the last digit is an even number. So, for example, 240. So, let's add. 2 plus 4 plus 0, we have 6. So, sabi dito, the first condition, if the sum of the digit is 3, 6, or 9. So, 6. So, then, after that, titignan natin what is the last digit. The last digit is 0. So, it's an even number. So, the sum is 6 and it's an even number. So, yes, just a 6. $2,284. When you add, the answer is 16. So, the sum is 7. So, huwag mo nang tingnan yung last digit kasi the sum is not 3, it's not 6, it's not 9. So, no. 22,341. So, let's add. The answer is 12. 1 plus 2. Remember, don't stop hanggat hindi siya 1 digit ang natitira. So, 3. So, the sum is 3. So, siguro pwede siya sa 6. Remember, kailangan mo tingnan yung last digit. The last digit is 1. It's not an even number. So, kahit 3 yung sum niya, no pa rin siya. Okay.